Everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Ang Pinishina core moments I think about a lot, of course, by Con Motion. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this. If I'm not mistaken, hindi pa ako nakagawa ng Sheena core, ang pagkakaalam ko. So without further ado, let's start this video. Let's start this video for today's video. Tinangan natin, maganda kasi yung pinipili niyang video ni Con Motion. Chef Stinch.
We flip it. Oh my God, it's
Bakla. Bakla din ang ugali ni Sheena, no? In fairness. Bakla din yung ugali niya. Ano ba yung niluluto ni Sheena?
You know, I like my hot dog black.
Black? You know, I like my hotdog black.
It's not fully burned. It's totally burned.
It's not fully burnt, it's totally burnt.
Ano pala ako ng kanto? Oh my God. Guys,
Magluluto pa siya ng patit canton. Patingin, sana ipakita niya.
ano? Naan ko.
Sana ipakita niya, no? Nagmura siya. Kalimutan niya, naka-live siya. Is this a live? I think this is Kumu Live. Kumu Live ata to eh.
Don't talk ha when your mouth is full.
Don't talk when your mouth is full.
Burn baby.
Don't talk when your mouth is full instead of quiet.
Oh my God. What?
Oh my God!
You know, just cooking my burnt hot dog. Oh my God, it's ate ko ulit.
Seconds earlier.
Sino magaling magluto sa Bini?
Ayan.
Magaling?
Sino? Siya. Sasabihin niya siya, syempre. Sasabihin niya siya. For sure.
Wala man.
Wala. Wala. Seryoso ba yun?
Graduate na ako college niya.
Graduate ka na?
Nag-graduate na.
Naiyak ako. Naiyak ka. Mag-A ka muna
Naiyak ako. Ka muna Siya talaga nagpasikat ng A sa Pilipinas, no? Siya talaga. Siya talaga nagpasikat for me, ah.
We are here with you and you are here with us.
You are here with you.
Sheena's performance.
Ano ba yung comment nyo kay Shay?
Yan na yung comment nila, A.
Spectacular.
Yan naman yung comment nyo kay She. Ang ganda ng boses ni Sheila doon. Ani, Mika. Ano yun? Shan? Ay, ito yung nagpanggap siya na parang lalaki. Oh, what is bangs kung bangs?
Na-awkward.
Hello? Hindi mo kaya. Okay.
May lagnat ka ba?
Show to her members, do you have a goal?
Lasing. Ano bang meron? Nagagawa ng kubo.
Tawang-tawa din siya.
Ayoko na guys. Sorry, nag-take over yung kuya ko.
Sheena's advice.
Tina, para sa ating mga kamorkada, ano bang pwede mong i-advise sa mga pupuntahan?
Si Kulit natatawa. Yan, si Kulit natatawa.
Gusto mga magbe-beach?
Yes.
Yes. You
Ah,
should
yeah.
wear sunscreen if you don't wanna get burned. Kasi I'm burned.
I'm burnt.
And,
And yeah, I'm burnt.
bring snacks. Kasi baka yung resort na pupuntahan mo overpriced. If you wanna see under
Ano
the
ba,
sea,
Loy?
bring goggles.
If you wanna see under the sea.
Yes, and magdala kayo ng sariling shampoo and sabon
Tawang-tawa din talaga.
Okay.
para hindi kayo nagsisigawan sa CR.
Tama nga naman. Natatawa din siya sa sagot niya. Oh my God, this is one thing that I really love about Beanie.
Mag-offer na mag-extend yung beanie, would you extend? No!
I know. Bakit no? Hala, truth. Bakit? I was confident.
Joke lang yun guys ha, baka akalain naman.
Globes, gusto ko 50 years yung beanie.
Instead of 50 years to be.
Jungwon or Beanie? Jungwon! Jungwon all the way!
June all the way.
Kabahan ka man lang. Kabahan ka.
Ay. June all the way naman pala. Ay, at may ads pa talaga for today's video sa Trula. May ads pa talaga. Charis. Okay. Breaking news. Itsura niya dyan. Yung itsura niya dyan, very PBB days. Sa totoo lang. Very PBB days.
News update. Walong magkakaibigang patay sa sunog sa Baguio City. Nagbibini road trip lang naman kami.
We're just having a mini road trip.
Oh, knock on wood.
Side hustle. Okay. That's huge. Different to the Bloom's iPad. I will steal this. Ang laki nga ng iPad.
Na ako next year, Blooms. Hindi na ako tatawa.
Grabe talaga yung tawa niya. Siya pala talaga yung pinakamalakas tumawa, no? Parang siya. Ang cute. Uy, gusto ko din gawan si Stacy. Gawan ko din si Sta. Sheena's Laugh compilation. Grabe siya makatawa. Sa totoo lang. Ay. Nationalities expert. I know you're lying. Okay. Korean. Chinese. Q&A. Really taking the speed discussing to answer the question. Go.
Can you share it to us?
No.
Centenarian.
Wala pa kasi silang sagot daw kasi.
Centenarian yun, di ba?
Init!
At bottom sa hair jacket. Ay, yung blooms. Ay,
Init talaga.
me and myself and I. Bibili pa rin.
I love me.
If I would be an animal, I would like to be a cat or a tiger. Because lapit this because it's Jungwon and Nikki. because I want to be a cat. You can meow. If you're a tiger, you can roar. Roar? Roar? Tiger. Ay, sorry. Ano ba yung tiger? Tiger. Meow but bigger.
Why do you... Bakit gusto mag-meow?
I want to meow so that I can
Ay, yun yung meow.
to the world.
Noise pollution.
When you can meow like in a cat, she can smile. I can meow like the worms here in our house. The ibis, they can substitute. They can melt into a mountain. And the gas solid and medium is equal to y-axis. It does not transpose siya into one. Tsaka na sa in the middle in the power of 8. What is the final answer? Meow. Okay, very good.
Okay, ang ganda
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, what's next? Pufferfish pala ang tawag dyan. Sa aming butete lang yan. Charis. Sa aming butete lang yan, dear. Diyan pala pufferfish. Then don't. Anong tubo ko, Beji? Itagam.
Sabihin ko pa lang na ano eh. Itaga mo sa pagkamo. Eh di wag mo itaga. Ayaw niya pala eh. Eh di wag. Wag na. Tataga pa eh. Blooms? Blooms?
She thought they're gonna get disconnected and she kept calling Blooms. Blooms?
Blooms?
Ano to? Biniktim siya? Namudal siya, Sheila.
Excuse me.
Bakla talaga siya. Bakla talagang ugali niya, as in.
Sheena, can I take a photo of you?
Sure po.
Okay.
Yes, po. Yes. Yes. Keeping Beauty. Ano to? Ay, tulog-tulugan. Tulog-tulugan ang lola mo.
Hala, nakatulog ako.
Ganyan. Uy, thank you so much. Oh, may maloy daw. Thank you so much. There you go, guys. So this is all for today's video. Binishina Core Moments from Calm Motion. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next one. Enjoy naman ako.